So based on this is making some assumptions. You're taking a quote intake. You want to create a file. You want to move that file to an appropriate folder. What I have here is we're going to take a form submission. We are formatting that date into month, 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 MMMM, year, which will output it as example February 2025. What we are going to do here is find that folder, look for it. If it exists, we're going to create a document from text. This is just an example. Then we are going to move that folder to this folder we found. If that folder does not exist, and the reason I made it this way is so you don't have to make folders every week. They just exist. They'll be every time something comes in, it'll just go into that February 2025 folder. When March rolls around, it'll create that folder and keep moving forward for you. So you're going to create that folder, create the document from text, add it to that folder, and that is that. Let me know if you have any other questions.